Okay, 8th grade. So we're coming into code.org, up to projects. Yesterday we started your HTML practice, so you should see your last name and HTML practice somewhere on your screen. Refreshing what we did on our first day, you should have saved in your file an H1, which you see I have my name, a paragraph that includes 5 sentences about myself, that it's grammatically typed out. So I have 1 sentence, 2 sentences, 3, 4, I have 5 sentences. Open P, close P. I'm going to come here and hit enter. I'm now going to type an H2 tag, and I'm going to type my favorite, and you're going to type whatever category you want. I'm going to do my favorite books, okay? And a close H2. Underneath of that, I'm now going to type an OL, open, not anything else. I'm going to type an LI open and a LI close with nothing between them. And I'm actually going to copy these blank like that. And I'm going to paste them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total sets. And then at the end of those sets, I'm going to close the OL. So I should have on my screen OL open, OL close, and in between those 5 sets of LIs. In between those LI opens and closes is where I'm going to type the items that are on my favorite list. So I'm going to type, in no order for me, Harry Potter, Hunger Games, and you're typing your items. Okay, so I have my list. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is hit enter. I give myself a bunch of spaces, it doesn't matter. I'm going to type an H4, okay? And I'm going to type a question about my list. So what is your favorite book? And yours might be what's your favorite football team, what's your favorite singer, whatever has to do with your list. And a close H4. Next line, I'm going to type input, and I'm going to type and equals and the quotations, and in between that I'm going to type box. After the quotations, placeholder. In the quotations, type your answer here, and finish with that final caret on the end. So that one's a difficult one. Make sure you look at all of that formatting. Next line, I'm going to type button, open, and submit, and a button, close. Okay? And you should have that. So right now I have a heading, I have a paragraph, I have a second heading, I have a list, I have a 4th heading, I have a input box, and I have a button. That should end my HTML, and I want to make sure if the save button is up on my bar, I click save. Otherwise, it says right here, mine saved a few seconds ago, so I have nothing left to save. And this looks good for me. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.